I am in Chicago. The reason I'm in Chicago is I'm here with Disney Plus to support the launch of The Bear Season 2. And part of that is that they wanted to fly me out and a few others to go on a tour around Chicago and visit some of the restaurants that feature in The Bear. So that's what I'm going to be doing over the next few days. And I thought I'd just bring you along with me. So today we're going on a Chicago walking tour. So we're going to see all the different places that The Bear was filmed. And we're going to a screening at Soho House, Chicago to watch episodes 3 and 4. And then we've got dinner at Avec River North. I'm going to capture a few things just to show you guys what I'm up to. As well as capture Chicago, because it's the first time I've been here, so it should be fun. Let's go!
Older state our time, so yeah, you're better. So it is like a really premium product and stuff like this. One of the best parts about working on it. I'm gonna try to take all the salami, goes through Steve's hands first. And this one is, we can cut these down a little smaller, but this is our mortadella sandwich. So it's our husky that gets from our big.
I call them on my phone.
A healthy place, a positive place, and
We will be having the scallop crudo to start, along with the wild Mexican prawns. And then we will have the medjool dates, along with the focaccia. And then we will move on and have the rigatoni and the orchetti from pasta. And then we will finish with the short rib hummus and the romanesco shakshuka. It smells so good.
Hello, it's day 2 in Chicago. Yesterday was a lot of fun, and today we're doing the Chicago Architectural Boat Tour, a cooking class at Kendall College, and then dinner at Giant, which is a restaurant that features in episode 3 of The Bear. So yeah, let's go.
Who are some of the figures you might see? You might see actors, singers, athletes, maybe even, on a rare occasion, a member of the royal family. And I bet you didn't know. is window washing day in downtown Chicago, so we'll see quite a few people kind of dangling off the sides of the building. Yeah. Mostly on Tuesdays. Sometimes they'll do it on Monday, but usually most of them are on Tuesdays. The arch along the bottom of this building helps the Metro and the insurance brokerage company. They pay $1 million every year just to lease the naming rights to this tower. And they have a 15-year lease for right
the chat, and then let's get you into your.
Well, everybody, welcome to Kendall College. My name is Chef Hank. What we would like to demonstrate and show you all today is how to fabricate a bronzino, and then we're also going to be demonstrating how to prepare a bronzino, which each of you will prepare for your own personal lunch. Kendall College. You all excited?
Can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, if that's beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
Okay, it's day 3 and it's the final day. All the stuff with Disney is done, and now it's basically a free day until my flight at 9:15 p.m. local time. I've got a late checkout at 6 because I'm getting picked up at 6:15, So pretty much just gonna explore. We're getting the metro today. A few of the other people that are here. The metro, sorry, that's the subway. Metro is Europe. Going underground today, and then just gonna see where the day takes us. Aim is to take some more photos. I've been doing primarily video on this trip and just generally, and I actually really like photography, so going to be doing more of that today. Peace. Alright, this will be a quick tap.